Today, we're in my garage and we're going to dive into some brand new terminal upgrades inside of VS Code that make agent workflows feel smoother, faster, and way more natural. Now, these updates give agents clear awareness of what's happening in your terminal, whether it's in the foreground or the background, better control of the session you're actively using, and seamless ways for you to jump in whenever you want to. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, let's first understand how the agent works directly with the terminal, specifically when it needs input. I'm going to have it go ahead and run a PowerShell script to ask me what my name is. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and print that back. So the very first thing here is it's going to request that it runs the PowerShell snippet directly in the terminal. I'm going to say allow. Now at this point, a few things are going to happen. We can first see that in the bottom left here on the terminal pane, that there is a hidden terminal visible here. Now it's hidden. Now I could go ahead and expose that and we'll run the same exact experiments again to see what happens when I do that. But since it's hidden, it's in the background, we can see that it has identified that the terminal is paused on the read host prompt. And it's going to go ahead and collect the information back. So I'm going to say, what is the name? Say James Montemagno. And now it's going to send that back to the terminal automatically. And then it's going to read the expected outputs back from the terminal for me. So here we go. It's completed it and it says, hello, James Montemagno. Now, if I go ahead and tap on that hidden terminal, we can see the exact PowerShell scripts that were executed. Okay, let's go ahead and run this experiment one more time. I'm going to start over at the top. I'm going to run the same exact PowerShell scripts here. Now, in this case, you may want to drop down into the terminal to go ahead and enter those. So here it's going to go ahead and prompt me one more time, specifically to run that PowerShell script. It's going to steer and understand that it needs the input. And then it's going to go ahead and prompt me for my name again. Now, in this case, even though it's prompted me, I can take over if I want to. I can go ahead and one click into that hidden terminal. And now we can see that the agent has identified that I'm in control, that I'm going to go ahead and enter my name. So now I'm just going to say James Montemagno and hit go. And what's really neat about this is that the agent has now been notified automatically that that background terminal has been updated by me and is now printing it back out here. And this extends into many other scenarios. So for example, let me go ahead and say run npm init. And now when I do this, it needs to understand a lot of different information when npm init is run for this project. It can not only just identify a single command to run in a single entry, but it can go ahead and identify a bunch of different items to prompt back to me. Here we go. It has identified 9 different questions: the package name, version, description, entry point, and a lot more. So I'm going to say, what's the name? Yeah, Tiny Tool Town. Version, I can just hit enter here for the default, or I can enter the tiniest tool town ever. And when I'm done here, it will go ahead and send all of this information directly back into the terminal with all those questions answered. I can go ahead and expose that terminal now that it's gone ahead and entered those, and I can see it happen in real time, entering that information back into the tools, which is really, really neat. Okay, let's recap what we just saw. Instant, smarter prompt detection so agents can respond right when the terminal needs input. Full support for the foreground terminal, letting agents interact directly with the one you're actually working in, and a new focus terminal option that makes it effortless to take over for sensitive or hands-on commands. These are just some of the brand new terminal features available in the latest version of VS Code. So update today, give it a try, and as always, happy coding.